There's mama. Ay, kalabaw. Ay. Hello guys. We're here in El Kabayo. Oh, we're going to El Kabayo Waterfalls.
Yeah, it's here in Subic.
We need to do some trekking first, like 5 to 10 minutes. So they're walking over there already. And the kids are so excited.
The kids, they're finally able to get outside.
Yeah. Maybe they took years.
Yeah. They've been
Oh,
stuck.
I can hear the falls
Oh,
already.
yeah.
Huh?
I can hear it now, too.
Doc Julian. Over there.
Julian.
It's the bamboos.
Bamboo. Ooh.
Whoa! Somebody's there. Atawa.
Yeah.
Hello!
Ooh, hello. Hi. That's it.
Oh, there's mama. Ay, kalabaw. Ay.
Oh, it's muddy.
It's muddy. It's rocks. That's up rocks. Some trekking. Maybe later we'll go to El Kabayo stables.
And ride Kabayo.
Ride a kabayo. Kabayo is a horse. Oh, look.
Ooh. Oh, nice.
I can hear the water.
Here's the water.
Hear the water. Oh, where they went? This way or
Huh?
that way?
I don't know.
Which way?
Probably. I don't know.
This way?
We'll go this way.
Oh yeah, this way.
Well, this is the way the water sounds.
Oh yeah, I can hear them.
Oh, yeah,
already.
there they are.
Oops. Oops.
Joey's gonna have a hard time coming down.
Yeah. Da da dee da 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 da. You can hear the sounds of the waterfalls.
Oh, nice open area.
Ay.
Right?
Look the area. So quiet here.
Yeah, it is quiet. I like it.
Wow.
You don't hear the kids.
Big trees.
Really, you can hear the two big.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here we go.
Clean it.
We're going down the
go.
stairs.
Oh, nice stairs.
Ooh. That's Clara, the kids.
Joy's not going to be able to do this, I don't think.
Yeah.
I didn't expect Joy to come do this.
Ooh. Julian. Look. Hold on. That's the waterfalls over there. Papa is there already. Nakakatakam siya. That's the falls.
Nope.
Dito ka.
Nice.
Yan. Dito.
Yeah. You see the falls over there.
Oh yeah, there.
And the other one is
And there's
here.
some.
Where? There.
There.
Where?
All right, we made it.
To the falls.
Yeah, we made it to the fall.
Ah!
Got a
Nice
little-
over here.
Yeah, it is nice. I'm standing on a
Stone.
rock.
Rock.
Big stone. Yeah, it's like a little swimming area.
There's a
down
big
below.
stone. See,
nice.
it's a nice view.
There's another.
It's very nice to swim here, but we don't have extra
Yeah,
clothes.
we didn't blend to swim, so nothing to swim. What do you do?
Very nice.
Oh yeah.
I want to swim.
Yeah,
Okay, so we're done.
we're done. Had a little fun. Took a lot of pictures. Kids
Sure.
played in the water. Now, away we go.
We're crossing the
Crossing.
We're here in the El Caballo, where
Straight.
there's lots of horse. You can see
Kabayo.
at the back. The bahay. Caballo. It's a like horse. What? Papa.
I don't know. Oh, look. Sabong.
Look, there's sabong. Sabong. Nice.
Oh yeah, it's nice here. There's a white horse up there. And a black one.
There's white one too over there.
Oh.
There's white caballo over there. So we're back home. We just showered and everything.
Yeah.
We're going to sleep now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.